How to fix Snapchat device ban. So if your device is banned, not your account, but your device is banned, you ever want to be able to use Snapchat within that same device again. But there are a couple of ways that we can try to fix it. First, you can try to wait 48 hours before trying to log in again on the Snapchat app. If possible, just uninstall the Snapchat application and reinstall it after 2 days, which is 48 hours. Now, Snapchat might block a device if they detect a suspicious activity from an IP address or the use of a VPN. An IP address is a unique number that identifies every device connected to the internet. Now, if your account is, however, temporarily locked, you can try the steps to unlock it. First, open your browser and just go to accounts.snapchat.com/welcome. From here, you have to simply go to the My Data option after you log in, and here you have to click the unlock button. Now in my case, my account is perfectly active. If in your case it's not active, here you'll find unlock button, from where you'll be able to unlock your Snapchat account. Now if once possible, then you can also try to reset your device. So open up settings, go to about phone or wherever your options are for resetting your device there, and once done, just go to the reset button, go to reset or factory data, erase it, and erase all of your content, back up your important data. Then that should definitely help you solve it. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.